want to talk about Alex Trebek. Anyways, guys.
We always say the same thing.
I'm just here to open boxes.
That's not what we always say.
I don't care.
We always say, hello!
Hi.
Hey? Like that.
I'm Brian.
And I'm Brittany.
Poptopia.
No, and we're cheap and nerdy.
Oh, yeah. Yeah. Box 9.
Alright, you guys. So in this box that was so graciously kicked in the corner, we have the possibility of getting a Conan prototype. I shouldn't say Conan because it makes people think of the Barbarian. And some other pops. Don't remember the other ones. A Thor, the clothes.
Conan O'Brien, is that what you're...
Yes.
Okay.
See, you were thinking of the Barbarian, weren't you?
I didn't know what you were talking about. I didn't know what this box was. It was just purchased. And we haven't really done Poptopia much just because...
It's been hard to get them.
Hard to get them, and we've had pretty luck with them. So...
I will pull it up.
I will open the box as she's pulling it up.
Yes. So... Okay, so this was Wednesday of last week. This is... So it was the 4th of July or something? No, day before the 4th. The 3rd of July. Funko Pop Mystery Box. Your chances were a green chrome Freddy, a glow-in-the-dark Thor from Infinity War, and a prototype of Conan O'Brien. I don't know. There you go. So, what, you just think you're going to pick what...
You got the one with the sticker last time, or with the Post-it note last time.
How do you know? We haven't done it in so long.
Because trust me, because we don't do Poptopia.
Fine. Okay, so this will be the common. Are you ready? It's a $25 box. Do you want me to open it? Alex Trebek. We've avoided this man long enough, I guess.
Yep.
Everybody's gotten one except us. So, there's Alex Trebek. Old Alex Trebek. Not the Chase where he's younger.
I don't know if I want to keep that. But
no, I don't.
I mean, it's not bad. But it's a new pop, as usual.
Yeah. We don't need to start another collection.
Box number 9. Glow in the dark Chase Flurkin. No, that's not glow in the dark. It's just the Chase Flurkin.
Oh, it's the Chase. That's cool.
Not bad.
Yeah.
We've kind of gotten some of the Flurkins, so
I don't know if we'll keep it. We'll see. But let us know what you think in the comments down below. Which one is your favorite? Guessing the Flurkin's gonna get more votes than Mr. Trebek. But okay, so this one here. Who in their right mind said, you know what we need? You know what pop we need? We need that guy that hosts Jeopardy. He needs to be a pop.
Well, I mean, they did the Wheel of Fortune and the...
Yeah, I agree with that too. It's like, you know, that guy, Pat Sajak, yeah, you know, he tells people when to spin the wheel. We need a pop of that. My life's not complete unless this is in my collection.
Not that big a Jeopardy fan as it is.
I mean, I used to watch Jeopardy as a kid all the time with my parents. We used to keep score. Did anybody else's parents keep score? Anyways, but yeah. I don't know. I mean, I ain't got nothing against Alex Trebek, but it's just not like something I'm like, I have to have have for my collection. What? What?
Are you good?
I ate a lot of ice cream earlier. I'm like sugar high now.
Like it's a lot of talk about Alex Trebek. Anyways, guys, like she said before, let us know what you think in the comments down below. Don't forget to smash that like button. Please subscribe if you have not. Ring the notification bell, that way you know the next time we have videos pop out.
And if you're interested in shirts, like this one.
Check out the Teespring down below.
Yes.
And if you need pop shields like these are in, we got those down there too.
Okay.
And you can check out our Patreon while you're at it. If you're checking everything out in the description, just check out all 3 of them.
Yeah, we'll even throw in a super secret link that takes you to a special prize. So anyways, thank you guys for watching.
Yeah, thanks for coming. We'll see you next time. Don't forget, be kind.
Rewind.
Bye.
Bye.